Hey everyone, I'm Nicole Neely with M Tool & Machinery, and today I have one question for you. Just one. Can you handle it? Simple, because we can handle it. What's that tagline again? That's right, Skilsaw stays true. Their tools have and continue to stand the test of time. As you can see, we have 3 generations here of the trusted Skilsaw. So yeah, they've been around a while. They have one of the longest lifespans of any worm drive out there. Here at M Tool, we have all the handles and all the options for your worm drive Skilsaw. So we definitely have a handle on this. So today I'm going to teach you how you too can get a handle on it. All right, so let's get started. Off camera, I quickly replaced this handle. Super easy. Now, let's handle this. To replace your Skilsaw handle, you'll need a screwdriver, a T30, a T25, a T20, and a T15. So, let's get started. We're gonna start with our top screws with our 30. Pull the handle off. While you're in there, you might want to switch out your switch. So we're going to switch to our T20 for the main screw on our switch. All right, so we're 15 to take the clamps off. So now that we've loosened the switch and the cord, you can just release them, and we're going to take out the last 2 screws, which are on the top and the side here. Again, we're using our T30. Okay. There's your old handle. Now we can simply put on the new one. Okay, let's flip it over. Get our wiring and our switch back in. Okay, so you'll line up your groove from your clamp previously. Okay, we'll switch back to our T20. All right, now we're ready to close it up. Switch now back to our T25. Okay, we'll do the top 2 and we've finished. There you have it. We replaced your handle. We're going to list all the products that we used today in this video down below that you can purchase through M Tool & Machinery. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions, leave them below in the comments. Red front handle with screws is 1/619x01/423. Front handle gray with screws is 1/619 X01 422. For the back handle, the red color is 1 619 X01 364. The gray back handle is 1 619 X01 363. The front handle red with no screws, 1 619 X01 205. For the two-tone red and black front handle, it's 1 619 X04 707. For the back two-tone handle is 1 619 X04 709.